Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another Continental knitting tutorial. Today's tutorial will cover the B stitch. It is a very easy pattern to get through and it is so squishy and textured. I absolutely love it. This is the right side of the work, and then the back side of the work kind of reminds me of moss stitch. So I guess in theory it could be reversible, right? This stitch pattern uses the knitting method of knitting one row below. So if you want to refer back to my previous tutorial on that stitch, you can do so, and I'll try to leave it linked in the top corner of this video also. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. To work this stitch, we're going to cast on in multiples of 2. So just going to do a regular long tail cast on here. And 16. Alright, for row 1, we are going to knit all the way across. So just grab my working yarn here. We're going to knit all the way across. 2, 3. Don't know why I started counting. Force of habit. Alright, for row 2, let me turn my work. For row 2, I'm going to knit this first stitch. Oops. And in the next stitch, I'm going to knit one row below. So I'm going to go underneath the little horizontal bar of the next stitch and through the stitch that is on my needle, and I'm going to work a knit stitch through both of those and slide those loops off of my needle. Alright, and that is our repeat. So I'm going to knit one, then I'm going to knit one row below. All the way across. And in this last stitch, I'm going to knit one row below. So again, same principle, go under that horizontal bar and into that stitch on my needle, and I'm going to work through both. This last one always takes a little extra patience. And there we go, I can pull that out. Alright, and there is row 2. For row 3, we are going to knit each stitch across. So just regular plain old knit stitches. Alright, for row 4, we are now going to knit 2 to start our row. So 1, 2. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we are going to start our repeat of knit one row below, then knit 1. Alright, we're going to do this all the way across our row. It's basically the inverse of row 2. 2, 1 below, knit, 1 below, knit, 1 below, knit. Alright, and then my last stitch here, I'm going to work 1 below into this last one. And I find that as you work up the pattern, it gets easier to do these little edge stitches, so it's no big deal. Alright, and that was row 4. This pattern is a 4-row repeat, so as you continue to build up those 4 rows, you will eventually end up with a swatch pattern that looks like this. This stitch is really nice. It stretches vertically and horizontally, so it's great for sweaters, blankets. It does maintain its shape, so that's a really nice thing also. So I guess you could also use it on scarves and hats and other things as well. You can let me know what you use this stitch for down in the comments section below, and I'll respond as soon as I can. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future Continental knitting tutorials from me. I suppose my call to action today would be to head over to my website, sign up for my newsletter so you don't miss out on future crafty news from me. Coming soon at the end of this month, I am releasing a new round of yarn bowls and crochet hook vases and jars. So if that's something that you are interested in, head over there, sign up so you don't miss out when that shop update goes live. Otherwise, you can follow me over on Instagram if you want to see whip pictures and some of the previews for those items. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching and happy making.